Hey, it's Kent here from Apprentice Recruit. We've got a position that's come through for an Apprentice Glazier for a company that are based in Brisbane. So if you're looking at getting into the glazing industry, or you've considered carpentry, but you would like to do something a little bit different, keep watching this video. This opportunity could be for you. So as I mentioned in the intro, the position is for an Apprentice Glazier and the company are based across the greater Brisbane region. And we're looking for somebody that may have either looked at glazing as a trade or somebody who may have looked at carpentry as a sort of trade that they would like to do, but they'd like to do something a little bit different to straight out carpentry. And the reason that we're looking for somebody in that sort of category is this is on the installation aspect of windows and doors, etc., for a company that are, as I mentioned earlier, based in Brisbane. So this isn't based in a factory, it's purely out on site and it's doing the installation aspect. You'll still cover off what you need to in your apprenticeship, and they'll do that by either having you work for another company that they also have an alliance with, or you'll do your training through the registered training organisation such as TAFE, where you'll actually go off and you'll do the theory and some of the other practical that you'll need to know so that you can get your full qualification. So this is a full-time position that we have going. This one is for an immediate start, and this one is open to an adult apprentice. So if you are a mature age out there and you are looking for an apprenticeship, and again, want to do something a little bit different, then this could be a good opportunity for you. We will leave a link in the description below on how to apply for this particular role. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, click that notification button, and then as future positions come through our agency, you can certainly get notified straight away. So it's Kent once again from Apprentice Recruit. Thanks.